Now, if you're looking to find the best deals in hair and grooming, then watch on. Now, chances are that you've shopped for hair and grooming products. I mean, you're on this video, so I'm guessing you're interested. And I really started taking interest in grooming and sort of damaging my hair from about the age of 14. I used to dye it, I used to use loads of different hair products. And really over the course of these years, many years, I've worked out the best ways to shop for these products and also how to find the best deals. Now, before I get into this, if you're new to my channel and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is just below this video. Also hit that notification bell button, just means you'll see all my videos as soon as they go live. Now, I'm sure a lot of you, like me, will be shopping online for these products, but guys, don't forget about your local shops and your high street. From local markets to high street stores to supermarkets, these places all have some great deals on grooming products. For me in the UK, two of my favorites are Boots and Superdrug, and it's these places that I make a real point of going into, say about once a month. Sea salt sprays and hairsprays, I always go there. There's no point shopping online for something you know you're gonna find a deal on. I mean, for a lot of other products, and actually most of the products I buy, I shop online. Now, you'll see on manforhimself.com, my blog, that I've actually just started a new section. It is called Products, and really it is a response to you guys asking about loads of different products and reviews and best prices, and this is the home to this. Now, it's very much a work in progress, but you'll find some of my favorite products here right now with videos, product info, and some of my own mini reviews and ratings. And guys, I've made sure that this is not just about me. I know you've all got opinions on some of your favorite products, the stuff that works, the stuff that doesn't work. So on each product page, you can give a review, a rating, and also upload your own picture. I just think that this will really help me see how these products work and also the rest of you. And I should say it doesn't just stop there. I've also got some of the best prices from around the internet for you to shop, and these will all be updated as we go. Now, this video really is all about deals and about savings and about being smart with your cash. So it's great that I've partnered with a new bank. It is N26. It's actually just launched in the UK. It's already in Europe, and I have heard murmurings that it will be coming to the US. Now, I have linked all about N26 and how you can sign up for an account yourself, but here are the main things that I love and I think will really sort of draw you guys to it. Everything is done online and with their mobile app. Also, for overseas transactions, there are no fees, and also the best exchange rate is offered. So if you have found the best price for a product internationally, then it means you will keep these costs down. You also get instant push notifications on all transactions, and it'll also allow you to put on a spending cap or limit, so you're not going to go over that each day. And guys, I think probably one of the best things is if you're looking to start saving money for a certain thing, say buying a house, I wish, or maybe even going on holiday, or really if you want to move money out to save for products or treatments, then you can move it into separate areas of that account and just devote it to that. Now, the places that I have already been using this card, and also some of the shops that I'd really recommend are, one, Feel Unique, which is a huge online store of brands for beauty and fragrance. Mankind, you guys will see, I often link to them, some of the biggest brands online, and also some great seasonal offers. And you'll see from all my social that whenever I see an offer, I will be sharing it with you. ASOS is another great one, not just for fashion. They've got a huge face and body section with brands like Aveda, American Crew, Hands de Foucault, and loads more. And for you international guys, I mean, we're all international, they do global shipping, so most of those products should be able to get to you. I'm also a big fan of what the Slick Car TV boys have done with their Slick Car shop. This is less about those big mainstream brands and more about the niche and the smaller sort of home brewers. So this is a great place to really check out any new or up and coming brands. For example, like Nostalgic Grooming and Kevin Murphy, they are both there. And really there's also something to be said for Amazon. They have got a huge range of some of the small independents all the way up to some of these huge companies that stock straight onto there. So you'll often see me pushing to that. Some of the best deals are there, and I will make sure that I update manforhimself.com with all of those. But if I've missed a deal, then let me know. Tweet me, DM me on Instagram, and I'll update it straight away. But thank you very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this. Me sort of sharing some of my favorite shops, maybe it'll inspire you to try out some new products for yourself, or upload one of your reviews on manforhimself.com. Also guys, be sure to check out the N26 bank account. Again, it's linked there. I think it's great, and I think it's really sort of ahead of the time with the kind of stuff that we'd be looking for. But thank you again. If you're new to my channel, you have not yet pressed subscribe, then hit that button right now. It's just up there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them, or head to the product section of my site. It is there. My Instagram and my podcast are up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.